Oh, you haven't seen it yet? You are gonna love it. Yeah, no spoilers, but Iron Man dies. I'm kidding. Maybe. Hey, is that really what you're wearing?
Yeah.
No, just talking to Nellie. She's just being a girl. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Anyway. We're late. Can you please change? Hey, can you hold on a sec? Really? You're gonna make me be the bad guy. What do you want from me?
I want something real.
Something real.
Yeah, and I don't think I'm gonna find it here.
I'll give you something real.
Do you ever just want to escape?
No.
Even a little? Just go somewhere crazy, meet new people, start a new life?
I hate traveling. And you hate people.
What? I do not. Just fake people.
Listen, we're about to be real late, and then I'm gonna be real pissed. Then I'm really gonna kick your ass. How's that for real? Hey sis, sorry about that. No, I meant Nellie's, not yours. Yeah. Hi, I'm Jason Rain. My contact info is jasonrain87@gmail.com. You can also reach me by telephone at 619-547-7074. Thanks for watching.